Dinosaurs. From towering sauropods with necks reaching for the heavens to fearsome theropods like the Tyrannosaurus rex, dinosaurs dominated the land. But the Mesozoic skies held their own spectacle, a realm ruled by creatures equally impressive, the pterosaurs. These were not dinosaurs, as many believe, but a distinct group of flying reptiles sharing a common ancestor with dinosaurs. Their reign as aerial masters lasted over 150 million years, a testament to their evolutionary success. Imagine gazing upwards to witness these magnificent creatures soaring effortlessly. Some were as small as sparrows, while others, the true giants, boasted wingspans exceeding 30 feet. Pterosaurs were a diverse group, each species uniquely adapted to its environment and lifestyle. Their story is a tale of evolutionary ingenuity, showcasing nature's power to conquer the skies. Join us as we delve into the world of these fascinating creatures, exploring their origins, their triumphs, and their eventual demise at the end of the Mesozoic era. Lived alongside dinosaurs, they were a distinct group of reptiles. Both pterosaurs and dinosaurs belong to a larger group called archosaurs, which also includes crocodiles and birds. However, pterosaurs diverged from the dinosaur lineage early on, evolving unique characteristics that set them apart. Their most defining feature, of course, was their ability to fly. Pterosaurs were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight, long before birds took to the air. Their wings were not mere extensions of skin. Instead, they were complex structures supported by an elongated fourth finger, which extended to an extraordinary length, forming the leading edge of the wing. This unique wing structure, unlike anything seen in birds or bats, allowed pterosaurs to achieve remarkable aerial prowess. Their mastery of the skies allowed them to exploit a wide range of ecological niches, from soaring above oceans to hunting in prehistoric forests. Pterosaurs were as diverse as the dinosaurs they shared the planet with, their size and morphology varying greatly depending on their lifestyle and habitat. The story of pterosaurs begins in the Triassic period, over 200 million years ago. The earliest pterosaurs, like Eudimorphodon and Patinosaurus, were relatively small, with wingspans of about 3 feet. These pioneers of flight already possessed the key features that defined pterosaurs, a membrane-like wing supported by an elongated fourth finger. Their bodies were covered in hair-like structures called pycnofibers, providing insulation and streamlining their bodies for flight. Their bones were lightweight and hollow, similar to those of birds, reducing their weight and increasing their lift-to-drag ratio. These early pterosaurs likely launched themselves from the ground, using their powerful hind limbs to propel themselves into the air. Their flight, while not as sophisticated as that of their later relatives, allowed them to exploit new food sources and escape from predators. Over millions of years, pterosaurs continued to evolve and diversify. They grew larger, their wings became more specialized, and their flight capabilities improved dramatically. The Triassic skies, once dominated by insects, were gradually conquered by these reptilian aviators. As the Mesozoic era progressed, so too did the pterosaurs. By the Jurassic period, they had diversified into a dazzling array of forms. This diversity is best exemplified by the basal pterosaurs and the pterodactyloids. Basal pterosaurs, like Rhamphorhynchus, had long tails and sharp teeth. Pterodactyloids, on the other hand, had shorter tails and larger heads. This group included giants like Quetzalcoatlus, with wingspans over 30 feet. Their diversity is a testament to their evolutionary success, masters of the air built for flight. Pterosaurs were marvels of aeronautical engineering, their bodies perfectly adapted for life in the air. Their most defining feature, their wings, were masterpieces of evolution. Unlike the wings of birds or bats, which are formed by modified limbs and skin, pterosaur wings consisted of a thin membrane of skin and muscle. This membrane, called the patagium, stretched from the elongated fourth finger to their hind limbs. It was reinforced by a network of fibers, providing strength and flexibility. The wing membrane was also highly vascularized, allowing for efficient heat exchange during flight. Their bones were another key adaptation for flight. Like birds, pterosaurs had hollow bones, which were both lightweight and strong. This reduced their overall weight, making it easier for them to take to the air and stay aloft. Their respiratory system was also highly efficient, with air sacs connected to their lungs similar to birds. These adaptations, combined with their powerful flight muscles, allowed pterosaurs to achieve remarkable aerial feats. They could soar for long distances, hover in place, and even fly backwards. Their mastery of the skies allowed them to exploit a wide range of ecological niches, from hunting fish to scavenging carcasses. Section 6: Hunters, Fishers, and Soaring Giants. Pterosaurs occupied a diverse array of ecological niches, their lifestyles as varied as their physical characteristics. Some, like the small, agile Anurognathus, were nocturnal hunters, using their large eyes and sharp teeth to snatch insects on the wing. Others, like Rhamphorhynchus, patrolled the shores of prehistoric lakes and rivers, their sharp teeth ideal for spearing fish. Larger pterosaurs, like Pteranodon, were masters of soaring flight. With their long, narrow wings and lightweight bodies, they could ride the ocean thermals for hours on end, scanning the water below for fish. Their long, toothless beaks were perfectly adapted for scooping fish from the water's surface. The largest pterosaurs, like Quetzalcoatlus and Hatzegopteryx, were formidable predators in their own right. With their massive wingspans and sharp beaks, they could swoop down from the sky and snatch up small dinosaurs, lizards, and mammals. Their long legs and sharp claws suggest they were also capable hunters on the ground. From the smallest insect eaters to the largest aerial predators, pterosaurs played a crucial role in Mesozoic ecosystems. Their diverse lifestyles and ecological adaptations are a testament to their evolutionary success. Nesting among the clouds. Our understanding of pterosaur reproduction is still shrouded in mystery, but fossil evidence has provided valuable insights into their nesting habits. Like modern birds, pterosaurs laid eggs, but their eggs were soft-shelled, similar to those of reptiles. This suggests they buried their eggs in nests, providing protection from predators and maintaining a stable temperature. Fossil discoveries in China have revealed pterosaur nesting grounds, offering a glimpse into their reproductive behaviors. These sites contained hundreds of pterosaur eggs, some of which contained fossilized embryos. The eggs were often found in clusters, suggesting that pterosaurs nested in colonies, similar to many modern birds. The presence of well-developed wing bones in pterosaur embryos suggests that these creatures were precocial, meaning they were able to fly soon after hatching. This would have given them a significant survival advantage, allowing them to escape from predators and search for food independently. Despite these discoveries, much about pterosaur reproduction remains unknown. Did they care for their young after hatching? Did they engage in elaborate courtship displays like some modern birds? These are just some of the questions that continue to intrigue paleontologists. Section 8. The Curtain Falls, Extinction and Legacy. The reign of the pterosaurs ended during the mass extinction event at the end of the Cretaceous period, 66 million years ago. An asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions triggered a chain of events that led to the demise of 75% of all species. The impact caused wildfires, tsunamis, and earthquakes. Dust and debris blocked the sun, causing global cooling and disrupting plant life. This event ended the reign of the pterosaurs. Their legacy lives on as pioneers of vertebrate flight, paving the way for birds. Studying their fossils gives us a glimpse into a lost world.